I will share my screen as first. Yeah, sure, I will show you. Can you see my screen, guys? Please let me chat box if you see my screen. Okay, thank you so much. So I will create a file inside that. Which one? Wait, I will open that file. I think this one. Yeah. So I will remove this right also. Background color. Okay, then I will show you. Have you observed that one? Its weight is like 80% and height is 30%. When I open that one in live server, wait, yeah, this one. This is 30%. Okay. If I change the size of a like height, it will increase according to your requirement. If I change 40, okay, it's increased. Why it's increased? Because I'm not using document like doc type HTML, okay, inside like the fast, because I will writing that code in HTML 4. If I writing the code in HTML 5, it's not working. Let's see how. If I working like written doc type HTML, so it's not working. It will be like whatever content we have, like that much height will be contained. Okay, when I remove that particular doc type is it's a like doc type is a tag inside whatever you are writing in the file. It denoted that we are using like HTML5 version. Okay, that's why if I remove that one, okay, it's 40% or 50%, whatever you are writing inside that. Okay, I hope you understand how it's work, and many are confusing in that yesterday session how it's like happening in that. But in that, what is the how it's like working, because we are using HTML5, it's a latest version, but basically before that we are using HTML4. And if you know that Bootstrap, and like Bootstrap is like updated a new version is 5.0, I think. I'm not remember exactly, but there is option in that, uh, like border, sorry, it's uh, right left margin, ml for margin left, and like mr for margin right. Okay, so it will deprecated. The new version will be coming in that start and end. If you using like margin left, then you have to, instead of margin ml, you have to use class. It's like what is that, it's ms, it's margin starting. And when you using like margin right, means you have to use margin end. Okay, I will show you in that Bootstrap how it's work. Some option is deprecated due to that update version. Okay, so you have to understand these things. You have, if you like only know like HTML4, you don't know about the HTML4, it will taking difficulty to understand and like practice in the web development. Okay, so also in that Bootstrap also, before that it's like 1 month before it's updated. Okay, we are using like most of the option is updated in that, and most of the classes also deprecated in the Bootstrap. Okay, I hope you understand how it's like, why it's like not working, and where it working in that form. Okay. Okay, so next we are discussing next one is background. We have what are the background property, property we have in the background. And background is a certain property, and in the background we have background color, background image, background position, background size. All these are there. So what are the option is there, we are discussing that one. Next we have to discuss font, like text format, all these things. Okay. I'll first discuss with you like what is background. Okay, I'll give the file name is bg.html. Okay, and in that I have written like html, all these things. Okay, in that title I need a background property. Okay, so I'll open that one in the live server, then I'll show you. So now you're thinking. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so next we are designing a like content inside that. It's div. Inside I need a like class container, and inside the container I need a box. Okay, so it's like box. Okay, sorry, its class name is box. I've written that as it's box. Okay, so inside the box classes I need some content. I will copy some content from that. Wait, I will copy the. We have selected HTML. In that we have many content. I will copy that one. I will paste inside that. Wait. I will copy that one. I'll paste inside that. Okay. Done. I will close that. Take sorry, it's file. Then it's show me. Okay. So I need to write style inside that style. Okay. If you want to using an external file, you can. But like if I using like external file, if I go to there and there, like it's taking time to understand. So I will return inside that inner internal CSS. Okay. So it's like box is my id. Sorry, it's like classes. In that we have background color. If I apply any of the color, background color, it's brown. Let's see how it's working fine. Okay, if I using like image background image, in that like background gradient, linear gradient and like radial gradient we are using in that background image. You can apply in the custom image inside that by using url. What is the full form of url, you know that. Okay, better. So it's like next we have to link a picture inside that. Dot class, it's picture. We have inside picture. What are the picture inside? We are applying that picture. Okay, so let's see. It applying, but like size, all these things we need to apply on that. Okay, so if I apply, we have background image on a property, and we have a background position, background repeat. If you don't want to repeat that particular like image, then you have to use no repeat. Okay, if you want to repeat that particular image again and again, then you have to write repeat. If you want to like x direction, y direction, if you want to apply on that picture, then you have to like use this one. Okay, I don't need to apply that particular image, so I will written inside that no repeat. Okay, and if I using background position, like what are the position you want, like center, left, right, whatever, you have to given that one. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's working fine, but I need to be manage something a size. It's background size, background size. We have, if you want to like particular size inside that, 500 pixel or like 200 pixel, whatever you want, then you have to give inside that. Okay, let's see how it's work. Okay, it's not working perfectly. I will show you one of it. Yeah. So in we have, yeah, we are applying background color. That's why not working. Background size. Okay, okay, done. 200 pixel or 500 pixel we are applying, or 200 pixel. Yeah, 200 pixel. So that picture in the center, because we are applying that particular background position property in the center. If you want to left, right, whatever, then you have to apply left, right. Okay, if you want to right, then you have to inside the data, like you have to write inside that. Okay, then according to your, like if you want to adjust that particular image to the particular like pixel, it's margin left, margin right, whatever you need, you have to apply by using margin, all these things. Okay, wait. Okay, so next one, if I remove that one, let's see what happen. It will be repeated. Okay, it repeated more times. If I like paste any like more content inside that, it will be work same. I will show you, wait. Okay, but you don't want to apply the particularly, so you have to write inside that no repeat, no repeat. Okay, so if you want to that particular image to cover all the page, then you have to use cover. Okay, cover all that content. Okay, if you want to particular size, then you have to use inside the background size property, inside whatever size, like 200 pixel, 500 pixel, or whatever you want, you have to give inside that. If you don't want to apply any particular size inside that, then you have to apply cover and container. Container is that, if I apply container, let's see what happen. Contain, it will be sided to one side, but I need to cover whole page, then you have to apply cover. Okay, then next we have background attachment. What is the background attachment? Let's see. Background attachment, if you want to the particular image to be fixed, then you have to fix the picture and score whatever you want. I will show you. I need to be more content inside that, then it will be scrolling. Wait, have you observed that one? The content is moving, but the picture is not moving. Wait, I will show you. The content is moving, but the picture is not moving. Okay, this is fixed. The background image will be fixed. If you want to move the particular image, when I scroll the content, you need to be inside the background attachment and scroll. Okay, done. When I like scroll that content, it will be scroll according to like content, it follow the content. Have you observed that one? Okay, done. Next we have option is initial, inheritance, all these option is there. I will show you in initial, inheritance, all these option is there. According to your requirement, you have to use. Okay, initial, inheritance, scroll, all these things. See, okay, so I hope you understand what are the like property in that background. And we have background in that, if you want to apply that whole like no repeat, right, cover, all these things you can apply by using background shortened property. And if you require a particular like background repeat, background position, background size, then you have to apply the background like properties in that. Okay, and you can apply more than two picture inside that also. You have to write url Reuters class, and there's a picture inside 10 or like whatever you want. Okay, then you have to you don't want to repeat that particular or repeat that one, you have to write inside that. Okay, why it's not showing? Because it's the background. In the background we are written the background position cover. Okay, that's why it's not showing. If I change,
सर
yeah.
सर जो आपने सेकंड पिक्चर का पाथ दिया है वहां पर कॉटेड
Yeah,
उसमें
sorry,
आएगा.
sorry, let's see. Okay, it's not showing still now. Okay, wait 2 minutes, I will set that one, all these things. Background attachment is done. No repeat. Right, yeah. Center, you have to apply two data inside that. Okay, it's center, and if you want to left, It's not showing. Wait.
सर
Yeah.
सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब बट वहाँ पर कॉमा आना चाहिए ना?
वेट, कहाँ पे? वहाँ पे ना, यहाँ पे तो कॉमा है।
नहीं, कंट्रोल जेड करिए।
कंट्रोल जेड। या
हाँ, रिपीट एंड नो रिपीट के बीच में, सेंटर एंड लेफ्ट के बीच में, मे बी
या
शायद।
वेट, आई विल चेक। Yeah, it's done. Thank you. Okay, in the center and all the picture is that it's repeated picture and it's not repeated picture. Okay, I hope you understand the background properties, all that property we have in that CSS. Okay, you have to apply that double quotation and comma in that. If I forget that one, it's not working. I will forget that one. That's it's not working. Okay, thank you so much, Antima ma'am.
सर एक डाउट है मेरा।
Okay, पूछो।
सर ये जो अगर कंटेंट छोटा होता है, इमेज बड़ी होती है, एंड अगर हमें कुछ सिलेक्टेड पार्ट ही इमेज का बैकग्राउंड में शो करना है तो वो कैसे करेंगे?
Selected part of that background. Okay, तो
यस सर।
अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे ये पिक्चर है, ये पिक्चर का ओनली आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, जो पार्ट है उसको सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो
यस
उसको
सर।
फोटोशॉप यूज करके एडिट करना पड़ता है। अगर आप उस पिक्चर को अगर उसका साइज बड़े छोटे कर सकते हो, बट उसका पिक्चर को आप जैसे कि आपका अनुसार क्रॉप नहीं कर सकते हो। देखो यहाँ पे अगर देखो, इस ये जो राउंड वाला है, जो भी डिश है वहाँ पे, तो इस
नहीं
डिश
सर।
को
सर मेरा मतलब ये है कि अगर मैं सिर्फ सेंटर एरिया को, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या कि सिर्फ सेंटर एरिया को मैं पूरा बैकग्राउंड इमेज में शो कर सकूं?
सेंटर इमेज, सेंटर पार्ट को बैकग्राउंड इमेज मीन्स,
यस
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोल रहे
सर, ये जो आप ये फोटो है ना जिस भी डिश की है, सो मुझे सेंटर एरिया को पूरे बैकग्राउंड में फिट करना है, तो वो कैसे करूंगी?
हो। सेंटर मीन्स ये पार्ट बोल रहे हैं ना आप? मीन्स जो खाली पार्ट है व्हाइट कलर का, वो शो होना नहीं चाहिए आपको, राइट?
सर मैं
मुझे
मेरा लैपटॉप ठीक
मुझे
हो
एक बार
जाएगा
शो
तब मैं
कर
आपको
दो।
बता दूंगी।
ओके ओके, मुझे एक बार प्रैक्टिकली शो कर लो, मैं बताऊंगा। ओके, क्योंकि आप
ओके सर।
क्या बोल रहे हो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ठीक से।
ओके सर।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। एनीवन एंड हैव एनी डाउट, यू कैन आस्क मी गाइस। Okay, I hope you not not doubt. Anyone previous 2 day or 3 day before, I don't remember this day. Someone asking me that how I set the background like in that coverly, and like I want to cover that particular image to the background. So you can use that background property. Then you can do that. Okay. So next one we have CSS text formatting or style formatting. Okay. So how we are doing the text, all this property by applying the text. Wait, someone asking me only. Okay, okay, okay. So Banu ma'am, have you understand how we are covering that page like emails? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so next one we are discussing like how we are doing the text style formatting means, अगर आप टेक्स्ट में कुछ स्टाइल वगैरह करना चाहते हैं तो कैसे कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि फैमिली, व्हाट इज दैट, इट्स कलर और टेक्स्ट कलर, एंड वी हैव फॉन्ट फैमिली, वी हैव टेक्स्ट साइज, वी हैव text weight, it's like bold, lighter and bolder, whatever, and we have font style, it's like text style also, text formatting and text transform, text decoration, text shadow and text alignment and line height, letter spacing, word spacing, font variant, we have text indent, we have text overflow, we have white space also there. Okay, we have to discuss these many things, how it's work and how we are designing more like what is decorative in that particular text. That's so I will given the name of that is text.html. Okay, then I will wait. In that I have to write CSS text styling. CSS text styling. Text styling. Okay. Then so I apply one by one. I need to some content inside that. So I apply inside the p tag. I will apply welcome to CSS textile text styling props. It's properties. Okay. I will design in the particular like CSS. Sorry, it's like text. Okay. So I need style style. Inside that I write its p tag. Okay. And inside the p tag I need color. It's like blue, violet, whatever. Font family. If you want font family, then you have to apply the font family Times New Roman and like cursive, whatever you want. You have to choose that particular uh, font family. Okay. If you want to a custom font family, you have to use like Google font. Many of that interns are already using that one. It's like Google font. Okay. So next we have let's see how it's work. Then I will show you one by one. We have color and font family. You know that how like color also text color and like font family means it's like mm, font text like text designing. If I apply in the cursive, then you have to use cursive, then it's like text will be in a different style. Okay. If you need like text font size, we are not writing in any side like text family, text, all these things. We are writing font means text. Okay. Font size, if you want to larger, medium, all these things you can apply. You can customly also add any particular size. I will apply like 1 em, 1 rem also there. Okay. It's 1 em. If I apply 2 em, it's one the size of that particular 2 em. If I apply 1.5 rem, okay, this one the rem. Okay, this is the size of that particular font. Next we have font weight. Font weight. What is the font weight? Means bold in that word. May you know that like how we are doing that bold, text bold, and text lighter, and text normal also there. Bolder, all these things you can do that. If I apply that bold, then it's bold. Okay. If you want to lighter, then you have to apply lighter. Okay. Then so next one we have font style. What is that? If you want the font will be in italic, then you have to apply that font style, italic, normal. We have inheritance, all these things are there. If I apply italic, let's see. Okay, it's working fine. Next we have text text decoration. What the text decoration means? If you want to, oh, okay, I will show you in that other one. If we have like sub property also there. Okay, I will show you text transfer. Then I will say okay, text transfer. What is the text transfer? If you want to lowercase in uppercase, then you have to apply the text transfer. It's uppercase. If I applying that one, let's see. This one is the uppercase. Okay. If I apply like low, lowercase, then it lowercase. Okay. If I apply capitalize means each word, the first letter will be capital. Okay, the first welcome first letter is capital. To like first letter capital, C also, T also, S. All this word first letter will be capital. If you apply capitalize, then next we have text decoration. I will show you that one, text decoration. Okay, so in the text decoration, uh, if you we have like sub property is text decorations color and text decoration style, and we have text decoration line. Okay, so this is the shortened property. If you apply, if you want to apply text, uh, wait, text decoration line, we have overline, we have line through, all these things are there. Line through, you know that it's a line through. Okay, overline, if I apply overline also, overline is on the overline. And we have, what are the option we have there, let's see. We have underline also. Okay, have you observed that one, like inheritance property, every property in the property we have the inheritance values there, like inheritance, initial, all these things are there. If you want to apply the parent element, then you have to apply. If you don't want, then you have to apply the initial. Okay, so I need that overline. Okay, I will apply overline. So we have text decoration style also, text decoration color, means the color will be changing. If I apply brown, okay, it's brown color, means the underline, whatever underline you are using, like overline, strike through, and underline, whatever. Next we have text decoration style. We are applying text decoration style, no, it's text decoration style. Okay, so we have dotted or double, all these things are there. If I apply double or dotted, let's see what happens in the dotted. Okay, if I applied double double dash, okay, then dash also there. We have text decoration. In the text decoration we have three sub property. It's like text decoration color, text decoration style, and text decoration line. And you can apply the certain property using the text decoration also. Okay, next one is like text shadow. Text shadow. Okay, what is the text shadow? I will show you. 2 pixel, 5 pixel, 3 pixel, uh, white. Wait, it's not applying. Okay, wait, I will change the color. Okay, have you observed that one? So if you want to, the text will be in that shadow, you can apply. If you want to change the particular size, then you have to use X, Y, and Z axis direction. If I apply 7, let's see what happens. It will be moved like in that right side. Okay, if I apply like 20 pixel, let's see what happens. Okay, apply like it's 51 pixel. Okay, it will come to that next line. According to the requirement, you have to use this one, and in the direction you have to move that particular like shadow. This one is the like transparency. If you want more transparency, then you have to use more. If you don't want, then you have to apply one. It's showing me. If you don't want, then you have to apply 7 or 10, whatever. Okay, apply 4. It's better. Okay, so in that it's like 10 pixel. Okay, I hope you understand how it's work. Next we have text alignment. In the text alignment we have like text color, text alignment, we have center, like justify, we have that. It's center, justify, left, right, whatever. If I apply right, but it's not showing, wait. If I apply left, sorry, it's justify. Okay, I will show you in the paragraph. I will designing a paragraph, then I will show you. Wait 2 minutes. Okay, done. So I will design the span. Wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, thank you so much for your patience. Next we have, so in that if I apply like text align left, I need more content. Then I will show you. Wait 2 minutes. Then we are applying like text align left, right? If I apply text alignment justify, have you observed that one? What's changing is that done? Okay, you can apply like center, nothing changing. Why? Okay, you have to try yourself because I think the content is small. That's why it's not working. But you have to try. If not working, let me know. Okay. But you have to remember that one. If you want to the content, if you want to start like in the left side or right side, the center justify, then you have to apply text alignment. Okay. Next we have line height. If I apply line height like 20 pixel, wait, I will change the line height like 50 pixel. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, line height means in that every sentence we have space in between that. If you want to more space, then you have to apply the line height. It's like 70 pixel or like 80 pixel, whatever. Okay. Next we have line height is done. Next we have letter spacing and word spacing. I will show you that one also in that. I need letter spacing. Uh, then you have to apply the particular letter spacing of 10 pixel and whatever. Let's see what is happening. Have you observed that one letter will be in that space will be increasing. If I increase that one, it's like 20 pixel. Okay, it's more like space. If I apply 100 pixel, okay, it's like more than that before. Okay, so if you want, if I apply at like 50 is better. Okay, in that second paragraph, I will apply like word spacing, word spacing. Okay, it's like 20 pixel. Okay, this one is the word spacing. This one is the letter spacing. Okay, I hope you understand how it's work. Next we have font variant. What is font variant? Font variant means it's like right uppercase, lowercase, nothing. It's cap and small cap you have to apply if it's not like uppercase. Okay, if you are using normal, then you have to. It's like upper lowercase. Okay. Next we have text indent. Okay, I need to be copy some content, then I will show you like text indent. And next one we have text overflow. Okay, that one I will show you. Wait, Any doubt you can ask me guys in the chat box. If you any doubt, I will copy some content inside. That's changing. Okay, if I apply like text indent, okay, or it's like 50 pixel. Wait, it's not working. Wait a minute, I will check that one. Then not apply span also, right? Wait, put the span inside, then I will check it's happening or not. It's working now, but fast. It's working, but I need to change something. Wait, I will do one thing. I will in that comment, and then I will using a paragraph, and that one is the paragraph also. Wait, I will do that. First one is in the comment. Okay, first one is comment. Okay, so I will design the P. Let's see how it's look. Okay, if I apply text indent like 50 pixel. Okay, starting from the 50 pixel of that left side. If I apply, it's 500 pixel. Starting from that point. Okay, if you want to start the paragraph from a particular point, like in the middle or like left, right, then you have to apply text indent. Okay, next I will show you like next one I will show you text overflow. Okay, what is text overflow? Wait, border. It's like 1 pixel solid. Wait, next I need width. Wait, width is like 50 pixel. I need more than that. Wait, 200 pixel. And depending is not coming. Why? Okay, I will remove that one. I will show you. Wait. Okay, done. If I applying more content inside that, it will be wait. Yeah, yeah. I need to manage the height also. It's height like 400 pixel. Then like the text will be overflow out of the box. Okay. So if I apply text overflow, uh, Eclipse is there. I think it's not working. We have other option. What is that? I think text overflow is other one. Wait, I will check that one. Okay, if I apply text overflow, right? Wait a minute. Eclipse if I'm applying in that, and overflow hidden. Okay, overflow hidden now. If I want to scroll that overflow, then I have to use scroll. Okay, it's scrolling the content. If you don't want to scroll the content, if you want to hidden the content, then you have to apply hidden. Okay, then I hope you understand all this like text CSS styling property. If you any doubt regarding all these things, you can ask me, and I will share you that code. You practice as well. You have to remove that comment. Okay, I will not remove the comment still. You have to remove the comment. Okay, then you have to practice. Any doubt, you can ask me guys in the chat box. Then we are discussing what is that flex property. And doubt, okay, other one,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
yeah.
सर वो आपने जो पे का पैराग्राफ की जगह पे आपने जो ग्रीन कलर का जैसा लाइन बन गया ना वो पार्ट थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे दैट आई डिडंट अंडरस्टूड दैट वन।
कौन सा वाला?
आप अपना कोड शो करेंगे प्लीज?
या ये वाला और ये वाला।
नहीं सर, कोडिंग कोडिंग पार्ट।
ओके, ये वाला बताओ कौन सा।
दैट P1 सर, वेलकम टू CSS है ना सर, वो ग्रीन कलर जैसा जहाँ से हो गया ना वो पार्ट समझ नहीं आया मुझे।
ये वाला ग्रीन कलर।
यस सर।
ओके,
वो
ये
कोड
कमेंट, ये
वो
मैंने
कोड।
कमेंट अप्लाई किया है।
यस सर, वहाँ से समझ नहीं आया सर थोड़ा।
ओके ओके, वहां से समझ में नहीं आया मीन्स ये जो बता रहे हैं आप, ये जो ग्रीन कलर कैसे हुआ ये बताऊं या इसके बाद में बताऊं?
बस इतना ही पार्ट सर, वो ग्रीन कलर हुआ ना, मतलब कोड ऐड
ओके
करने
ओके,
के बाद जो कलर चेंज हो गया
अभी
उसका।
ठीक हो अभी ठीक हो गया।
यस सर।
ये कमेंट था मेरा। कमेंट हम ऐसे देते हैं, अगर हम अब अगर आप करना चाहते हैं कमेंट, तो आप कर्सर को लास्ट में एंड में रख के आप कंट्रोल स्लैश दबाइए, हो जाएगा। ओके,
ओके सर।
अगर आप कमेंट कर देते हैं तो ये जो कंटेंट है ये शो नहीं करेगा हमारा जो वेब पेज में, इसलिए हम ये कमेंट यूज करते हैं। और कमेंट यूज करने किस लिए, अगर आपको कोई टेक्स्ट लिख के बताना है, कोई कोई डेवलपर, अगर सीनियर डेवलपर आपको कोडिंग को देखे फिर से, तो अंडरस्टैंड कर पाए कि ये कोडिंग इसलिए लिखा गया। अगर आप लिखना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट के अंदर लिख सकते हैं, ये कमेंट है इसलिए ये इस कलर से शो कर रहा है। ओके,
ओके सर।
थैंक यू सो
थैंक यू।
मच।
थैंक यू सर।
एनी अदर डाउट गाइस? ओके, no doubt. Great. Have you done that yesterday assignment, guys? In the chat box. Written in the chat box. Quick. Okay, not completed still now. Okay, okay. Complete today itself, then submit it in the classroom. Okay. Many of the interns still not submitted in that 2 or 3 previous tasks also. Please submit that one, because if you not submitted, then it's difficulty to like getting those internship certificate, because in that when you require the internship certificate, then you need to provide the PPT. In that PPT, you have to mention whatever you are doing inside that internship. It's 45 days internship, whatever you are doing and what are the training we are providing, you have to write inside that. And what are the you learning from our like training program, then you have to write inside that. That's why I'm told you that please complete the assignment as soon as possible. Then it like when you submit the PPT, it will not like more complicated, because if you not completed, then you have like if you prepare any PPT inside that, then without any project and without any assignment, how we are preparing the PPT. Okay, okay. So next test session, it's like tomorrow, we are discussing CSS display property. In that display, we have inline, block, grids, plex, we have table, and we have initial, inheritance, and non have in that display property. Okay, yeah, yeah, they will provide you. Okay, no, don't worry. So in that CSS display, we have inline, block, grid, flex, stable, non and initial inheritance property are there. But I need to be describe the flex and grid property in that. Okay. Next we are discussing it's 2D animation and 3D animation, how it's work and how we are moving the particular image or particular content to the one position to another position, like x axis to y axis or x y and z axis. Okay, I will show in that tomorrow, like tomorrow, not tomorrow, it's like finishing after that, it's like flex and grid property, then I will show you. Okay, one thing
Excuse
is
me, sir.
that, yeah.
सर आई वांटेड टू आस्क अ स्मॉल क्वेश्चन। सर क्या हम लोग लाइक सीएसएस में इस तरह से डिजाइन कर सकते हैं कि लाइक एक वर्ड है, ठीक है, लाइक कोई भी एक वर्ड है उसमें हम इंडिविजुअल अल्फाबेट को कलर कर सकते हैं क्या, अलग अलग?
हाँ, कलर कर सकते हैं आप, बट इसको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्पान यूज करके करना है आपको।
लाइक सेम वर्ड को अलग अलग स्पैम में डालना पड़ेगा?
मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये देख लीजिए एक बार।
जी सर।
मेरा स्क्रीन शो कर रहा है आपको?
यस सर।
ओके। अगर आप वेलकम को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर में लिखना चाहते हैं, वेलकम, ओके, तो यहाँ पे डब्ल्यू के अंदर एक स्पान डालना है, स्पान, और एनी एनी ऑफ द लाइक, अगर आप कोई आईडी डालना होगा आपको, क्योंकि ये यूनिक है, तो आपको अगर स्पान, तो इनसाइड आपको डब्ल्यू लिखना है। ओके, इसके अंदर में आपको स्टाइल, कलर लाइक ब्राउन, डन, एंड आपको ये पूरे कॉपी कर देना है। कॉपी करने के बाद 2-3 बार पेस्ट कर लो। पेस्ट करने के बाद इसको जो कंटेंट है आपका ई और एल वटेवर, तो यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देना है। ओके, और आपको कलर चेंज करना है यहाँ पे। वेट, आई विल शो यू। कलर आपको अगर ये चाहिए कोई भी, तो आप चूज कर लेना कोई भी कलर। ओके, वेट, डन। नेक्स्ट मुझे चाहिए वेल, WEL। तो उसमें अगर आपको कलर डिफरेंट चाहिए, तो आप ये कलर यूज करिए, कोई भी येलो। डन। नेक्स्ट अगर आपको वेल सी में चाहिए, तो सी लिख के आपको यहाँ पे कलर चेंज करना है। ओके, तो ये जो भी आपका बाद में आप कर लेंगे शायद। ओके, ये आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगा, आई विल शो यू दैट। प्लीज, ये वाला ऐसे चाहिए था ना आपको?
यस सर। सर और तो एक एक भी देखा था सर मैंने, किसी ने कोड मतलब कोड दिया नहीं था, बट मैंने एंड रिजल्ट देखा था उनका। तो ये जो एक वर्ड है ना सर, ये जो वेलकम जो आपने लिखा है उसमें सारे ब्लैक में है, अल्टरनेटिव वर्ड कलर्स में है, और वो कलर शिफ्ट होते रहते हैं सर। लाइक कभी ब्लू हो गया, ई का कलर ब्लू है, तो कभी ओ का कलर येलो, फिर कभी ई का कलर येलो, कभी ओ का कलर ब्लू। इस तरह से अल्टरनेटिव शिफ्ट भी हो रहा था सर, वो कैसे करते हैं सर?
वो आप जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखने के बाद कर सकते हैं, बट आपको बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, क्योंकि आप नॉर्मल अभी बिगनर है ना, तो बिगनर में ये कर नहीं सकते, क्योंकि आपको ज़्यादा जावास्क्रिप्ट चाहिए। उसके अंदर आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जैसे कि कंडीशन डालना है। ये कंडीशन जब होगा इस समय में आपको, अगर आपको 2 सेकेंड के अंदर आपको चेंज करना है या 3 सेकेंड के अंदर चेंज करना है कलर, आपको ये डालना है बाय यूजिंग जावास्क्रिप्ट, कंडीशन डालना होगा। ओके, जावास्क्रिप्ट
ओके।
यूज़ करके कर सकते हैं, बट बिगनर थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी होगा, बट आप कर सकते हैं।
जी सर, थैंक यू सर।
Okay, thank you so much. Or one thing, guys, I will told you that, you know that like career Dream Education conducting a techno vision, it's 2K21, I think. Yeah, in that uh, you are like participate on that free also. But if you have any friend in your your friend in your circle, like in your college friend, and like you have any previous friend, like your childhood friend, whatever, they want to, they belong to the technical field, you can refer that particular technophilia, because career dream education provide you like prize money also if you participate on that technophilia. And if like you know that more people, the more like in terms of more student will be if attending that particular technovision 2K21, though it will be more competition. if you like achieve someone, then you have to like, it's a great point in that, you know, that hackathon is the that many in the many like technical student are attending that one, and they are see or he get the prize, and it is like a pride, and you have to learn something. Okay, so I will request you to that one. We have like now we have like 200 interns in our technophilia, but we need like more student to participate on that. So if you have any friend regarding your college, like on like your tuition and whatever you are studying, where you are studying that, and you have a particular social media friend, whatever, then please invite them, and please want to like they will participate on that. Then you have to achieve that like something in that, and you have to learn something. It is it like many achievement, and you have, you know, that like career term education provide you like a certificate also, it's ISO certificate. It will work in that interview when you go to the interview. Okay, I will request you that please share that content and that poster in that your friend and in your like college group and whatever group in our in your like WhatsApp. Okay, it will be compete, like when you compete more, you have to achieve more. Okay, so I will share you in the WhatsApp as the group, our group, it's like web designing B3. Please share your friend and whatever, like if you have any senior also, like 1 year more, like if you are in that BTech third year, your senior is the fourth year also, you can see or he like apply that one, register in that, and also participate on that. If you like achieve also, you get a prize money in that, and we are providing certificate also. I request you that please share your like friend and colleagues. Okay, I will share you that in group. Thank you so much,
Uh,
guys.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any coding competition in that?
या यहाँ पे कोडिंग कंपटीशन होगा। अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे हैकाथन जैसे होता है कोडिंग कंपटीशन, वहाँ पे प्राइज मिलता है आपको, तो यहाँ पे भी प्राइज मिलेगा। अगर देखो यहाँ पे अगर आपको 200 इंटर्न ही रहेंगे, मीन्स हमारा जो
Mm-hmm.
जो भी हमारा टेक्नो फिलिया में इंटर्न से वही रहेंगे, तो आपको कंपटीशन ज़्यादा नहीं होगा। अगर आप बाहर का बच्चे लाओगे तो कंपटीशन ज़्यादा होगा, तो आपको भी आपका भी नाम जो जो भी विनर होगा तो उसका नाम भी आ जाएगा, हाँ ये विनर था। और जैसे कि आपको भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होगा कि हाँ मैंने प्राइज जैसे विन किया और मुझे कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला। और आपको जो कि कंपटीशन का कोडिंग होगा, और आपको वेब डिजाइनिंग करने के लिए दिया जाएगा। और हमारा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है, जैसे कि एआई का है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का है, एमएल का है, लाइक मशीन लर्निंग, पाइथन, जावा, ऑल द प्रोग्राम को हम लेके एक टेक्नोविजन करते हैं। ओके, तो
Okay, sir.
ये आपको फ्रेंड को जो है आपका कॉलेज फ्रेंड, उनको इनवाइट करो, उनको बोलो कि पार्टिसिपेट करो, हम प्राइज भी देते हैं। ओके, क्योंकि आप 200 इंटर्न से पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा। अगर मज़ा नहीं आएगा तो खेलना क्या क्या मज़ा, ये खेल है। जैसे कि हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं खेल में, इस गेम, सो इट्स ए गेम। ओके, अगर आप पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं मोर एंड मोर टेक्नोविजन और लाइक हैकाथन जैसे कोडिंग कंपटीशन में, देन आप अगर ज़्यादा सीख पाओगे। ओके, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपका फ्रेंड को इनवाइट करो, ज़्यादा इनवाइट करके आप लाओ, और लाने के बाद आप कंपटीशन करो और विनर हो, तो आपको भी एक्साइटमेंट होगा। ओके, एनी
Okay, sir.
डाउट रिगार्डिंग लाइक टेक्नोविजन 2K21, यू कैन contact me direct, you can call me anytime anywhere. Okay, thank you so much guys, have a good day, bye.
जस्ट अ मिनट,
Yeah.
एग्जैक्ट डेट क्या है इवेंट की?
क्या बोला आपने?
इवेंट कौन से डेट को होने वाला है?
ओके, ये इवेंट आप हम बता देंगे। ये अभी 12 को था, बट अभी कोई भी रजिस्टर नहीं किया है, जैसे कि बाहर का स्टूडेंट। तो आप जल्दी से लाए, जो भी इंटर्न स्टूडेंट लाएंगे तो हम जल्दी ही कर लेंगे। अगर आप ये वीक में लाते तो नेक्स्ट वीक में हो जाएगा।
ओके सर।
तो आपको फ्रेंड जो है कॉलेज स्टूडेंट और जो भी आप इनवाइट करिए उनको, तो इनवाइट करने के बाद अगर हमारा 500 होते हैं तो ज़्यादा होगा ये हमारे लिए, क्योंकि 500 स्टूडेंट के बीच में आप कंपटीशन करोगे, उसमें अचीव किए तो आपको लगेगा कि हाँ मैंने कुछ किया और मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ लाइफ में। अगर आप इसमें ही रह गए, बेसिक में रह गए, तो बेसिक में ही रह जाओगे। इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ आपको फ्रेंड को इन्वाइट करो, उसके उनके साथ कम्पीट करो, उसके जैसे कि कोडिंग आपको टॉप आएगा उसको अचीवमेंट करो। अगर नहीं आया तो भी जो भी आपका सीनियर है, जो भी आपका जैसे कि टीचर वगैरह है, प्रिंसिपल है कॉलेज में, तो उनको पूछो ये कैसे होता है। तो इस तरह ही आप कर पाओगे, अचीव कर पाओगे, क्योंकि टेक्निकल जॉब इज नॉट इजी, यू नो दैट। ओके, ओके अंतिमा मैम।
ओके सर, थैंक
ओके,
यू।
थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.